so much. Welcome to PJ's kitchen. Ooh, hot, 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 hot. So for our ingredients today, we have some beautiful pecorino romano cheese, some beautiful pasta, and we have about a tablespoon of crushed pepper. And that's all we'll need. And I'll show you all the steps and a secret technique to make this amazing Cacio E Pepe pasta. Today I'm going to use a little bit less water in the pan so that I have a starchier water from the pasta cooking in it. There'll be less water, that'll make it a little more starchy. Let me come around and show you. Normally, I would fill the water to there. But today, I'm going to just fill it about halfway. We need more starch. Okay, we'll add a little salt to that pasta water. Got some nice coarse salt here. And get that in there. Nice. Our water is boiling nicely. It's time to add the pasta. So, very important. Read the directions on the pasta. My package said 11 to 13 minutes. 11 minutes for al dente. 13 minutes to cooked. So I'll take it out al dente at 11 minutes and I'll add it to my saucepan and we'll finish cooking the last 2 minutes in the saucepan. Al dente, 11 minutes, set your timer. Not al dente. Dante was a poet and philosopher that lived in the 1200s in Florence, Italy. Okay? Dante has been dead 800 years. You don't want your pasta dead 800 years. So, al dente not so much, al dente yes. Okay, we've cooked our pasta for 11 minutes. You can see that it's al dente. Just a little bit of a bite to the tooth, dente. So now we'll remove that off the heat. We'll take our saucepan. We're going to take 2 ladles of this beautiful starchy pasta water. You asked me why I do that. Now, pro tip. We're going to add all of this pepper into the water. Why are we doing that? We want this water, this starchy water, to start to absorb that pepper flavor. I can smell it. It smells beautiful. That water will now get infused with that beautiful pepper. When I add my pasta for the last 2 minutes into this, it will continue to absorb this water, this pepper infused water. It will absorb those flavors. That's what's going to make my Cacio E Pepe so beautiful. So we'll do this just for 1 minute and we'll finish that pasta in the next 2 minutes. We don't want to drain the pasta. We want that starchy pasta water come in here. All of that pasta, we need it all in there. All right, let's get that moving. And we'll keep stirring it. Let's keep working this. Beautiful. I can see it already start to absorb the water that we had in there. If it starts to get too dry, we'll add a little bit more water from our pasta water. This is looking beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, you can smell the pepper. It's absorbing it nice. You can see my pasta continuing to cook. Beautiful. Okay, we've cooked our pasta the final 2 minutes in the saucepan. We're going to take that saucepan off the heat. We're going to continue to work that a little bit. I'm going to shut that off. We'll get our beautiful cheese. That's a lot of cheese. That's about a cup and a half. Pecorino Romano. Very, very good. Let's get ready to start adding that. Again, off the heat. We don't want this cheese to become stringy like a mozzarella coming off of a pizza. That's when it's cooked hard. Cheese gets stringy. We want to cook our Pecorino Romano softly. We want to be nice. They're going to become friends. Yeah, the pasta and the pepper and that pasta water and the cheese, they're going to become friends, lovely friends. Okay, let's start to add our cheese. We get that in there. Spread that out nicely. Okay, let's start to work that in. Let's start to work in that cheese. Oh, you can see already how beautiful and creamy. Oh, look at that. And you see, friends, how beautiful and creamy and creamy. I see we're going to need a little bit more pasta water. It's a little dry. I'll come back with one more ladle of the starchy water. We'll take a look at that. We'll take a look at that. Oh yeah, you can see the cream? See the cream in that? Yes, that's what we want. More cheese. More cheese. And we'll leave a little bit to put on top. Little bit to put on top. Alright, let's work that pasta. Let's work that pasta in there off the heat. Alright, let's give that a... Yeah. You see that, friends? You see that? Yes. Yes, you see that beautiful creamy. Creamy. Yes. Yes. Okay. Time to plate it up. Okay, my friends, look at the beautiful. Look at the sauce. So creamy. It's time to plate. So, let's come in. We're gonna make a beautiful volcano. The Mount Vesuvius volcano on the plate. That beautiful. Yes. Look, we'll make the volcano, the Mount Vesuvius volcano, just like that. Beautiful. Now we're going to sprinkle a little bit more pecorino romano over the top. Just a pinch more of the pepper. And look at what we have. Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay. And time to taste. Oh, it's beautiful and creamy. Look at the peppers. It's so good. Pecorino Romano and pepper. That's all it is. Just use some good technique and this will amaze your friends and family.